Welcome back to episode 3 of our 4-part series specifically designed for men over 40, focusing on improving erectile function through targeted exercises and stretches that strengthen the pelvic floor, enhance flexibility, and promote better blood flow. In our previous episode, episode 2, we delved into the foundational stretches and basic exercises that are essential for building initial pelvic floor strength, improving muscle flexibility, and establishing a strong base for ongoing erectile health improvements. Today, we're progressing to more advanced levels in our routine by introducing dynamic stretches and combination exercises that build directly on those basics, delivering even greater enhancements in pelvic stability, core strength, and overall erectile function. Let's kick things off with the cat-cow stretch, which is an excellent dynamic movement that promotes spinal mobility, heightens pelvic awareness, and supports the pelvic floor muscles vital for erectile function. Start by positioning yourself on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips, ensuring a neutral spine. Then, as you take a deep inhale, gently drop your belly toward the floor, lift your chest forward, and raise your tailbone upward into the cow pose, feeling the stretch through your spine and pelvis. Next, as you exhale fully, round your spine upward toward the ceiling like a cat arching its back. Tuck your chin to your chest and draw your tailbone under. Flow smoothly between these two poses for 8 to 10 full breaths, maintaining steady breathing to maximize pelvic engagement and awareness. Moving on, we'll incorporate the glute bridge with a march, which introduces a dynamic element to the classic glute bridge, challenging your pelvic stability and coordination in ways that directly benefit erectile health. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent at about 90 degrees, feet planted firmly on the floor hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Engage your glutes and core as you press through your heels to lift your hips high into a solid bridge position, squeezing at the top for better pelvic floor activation. Holding that bridge steady with your core tight, slowly lift one foot off the ground, straighten your legs slightly if comfortable, then bring your knee toward your chest before lowering it back down, alternate sides in a marching motion for 10 to 12 reps per leg, keeping your hips level to build endurance and control. This powerful combination not only fortifies your glutes and deep core muscles, but also boosts balance, coordination, and pelvic stability, all of which are essential components for maintaining strong erectile function and preventing dysfunction. For our third advanced exercise, the bird dog stands out as it's particularly effective for developing core stability and strengthening the posterior chain muscles that support pelvic health and erectile performance. Begin on all fours in a stable tabletop position. Extend your right arm straight forward to shoulder height while simultaneously stretching your left leg back straight behind you to hip height, keeping your core braced tight, hips perfectly level, and gaze down to maintain balance throughout. Hold this extended position for 3 to 5 deep breaths, feeling the tension in your core and back, then slowly return your arm and leg to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side for the same duration, emphasizing slow, deliberate, controlled movements to maximize stability gains. To wrap up our exercises today, we'll tackle the wall squat with pelvic tilts, a smart combination that simultaneously builds leg strength while actively engaging and training the pelvic floor muscles crucial for erectile function. Position yourself with your back flat against a sturdy wall, feet shoulder width apart about 18 inches out from the wall. Slide down slowly until your thighs are parallel to the floor and knees bent at 90 degrees, as if perching on an invisible chair, with weight balanced in your heels. While holding this deep squat position firmly, begin subtle pelvic tilts by gently rocking your pelvis forward to flatten your lower back against the wall, then backward to create a slight arch. Perform 10 to 15 tilts per set, breathing steadily to isolate and strengthen the pelvic floor without compromising your squat form. Keep in mind that consistency truly is the key to seeing real results. Aim to incorporate these advanced exercises into your weekly routine 3 to 4 times, performing 2 to 3 sets of each for progressive improvements in pelvic strength and erectile health. We truly appreciate hearing from you, our viewers. Please take a moment to share your personal experiences with these exercises, any noticeable improvements you've seen, and your questions in the comments section below to help us all learn together. Your valuable feedback and stories not only motivate us, but also allow us to tailor future content more precisely to support everyone on their journey toward better erectile health and overall wellness. If you found this episode's advanced exercises helpful and practical for your routine, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for weekly insights on men's health over 40. Be sure not to miss our final episode 4, where we'll explore key lifestyle factors, nutrition tips, and holistic strategies to sustain long-term erectile health and complete your transformation. Hit that notification bell right now so you get instantly alerted the moment episode 4 is released. We can't wait to see you there and continue this journey together.